Tenckoff set, you can actually see what you will get inside. So this is the stellate that you can see. This is the guide wire. This is the Tenckoff catheter. It is very important that you need to dip it in saline so that this portion will get expanded. Then, so what we'll do is we'll use this needle. You need to make a hole in the meatus with this needle. Then we will use the guide wire. We'll put the guide wire inside, and this is, you can see, this is the stellate and this is the sheath. So we'll open this sheath and then we'll put this catheter inside. Okay. Then another thing that you can find is the connector for this Tenckoff catheter with this that you can see. Okay. So after aiming and breathing, once we are ready, I need some more gauze. Before that, we need to make everything ready. This is the PD fluid that you've already got. So we need to connect this to a micro drip set. Okay. And we need to have a Guro flow meter which will connect to a trigger. Okay. First of all, we'll make a So we can see that the PD fluid has started coming out already. So we will take out the needle. Next we'll be putting the stellate. We need to give a small nick. Therefore we put this stellate. You just give a stab incision. And we put the guide wire. So now we use this. Here made a neck, and we are using this stellate to make the neck deeper into the peritoneal cavity. We can use this stellate. Now once we use the stellate, what we can do is we actually use the sheath like this. So we use the sheath inside the stellate, and then we use this guide wire to guide us into the peritoneal cavity. So we can use this guide wire. We can take out this guide wire. Since our sheath is already in place, we can first take out this guide wire. Now we take out the sheath. And now we will use this catheter. Our sheath is already in place. So we can use the sheath. Once we are sure, now we can tear off this sheath. So we have to keep our Tenckoff in place. And once we tear off this sheath, we can we have to make sure that we keep our Tenckoff catheter in place. You can actually see, come here. Can you focus it here on the Tenckoff so that you're opening the sheet slowly and hitting our Tenckoff catheter in place so that it doesn't move from there. So it is very important that from the other side, you stop the flow of peritoneal fluid. So we can close from this side. And now, once our catheter is in place, we have ripped apart the. So you can see your catheter is in place now. We had taken out the connector, and from here we had through the help of forceps we had made a neck, and we have taken the catheter out from here, and this is the connections that we are making with the Tenckoff here. So it is very secure. You don't need to put any sutures here. So only we need to put suture at the outside. The rest of the part is inside. Thank you.